All Craig and Derricott isolators come with instruction leaflets for reference. Moulded plastic isolators are designed with multiple knockouts. However, die-cast aluminium enclosures are supplied with tapped entries. Moulded knockouts can be easily removed even on multi-size rings. Refer to instructions for best technique. Once glands are fitted, there is still ample space for cable routing. Neutrals or auxiliary blocks can be retrofitted either side of the isolating device. Fixing screws can be installed without the need to remove the main switch. Fixing centres are dimensioned on the back of the enclosure. All fixing holes are safely outside the IP seal. Fixing holes are tapered to guide the screw to its location. Strip each core to the recommended dimensions in the instruction leaflet. Before refitting the lid, ensure the gasket is fully seated in the moulding. Ensure the handle is in the off position. If the handle is found to be in the on position, it will be impossible to fit to the switch. With the handle in the off position, the lid engages correctly. With the switch in the on position, even with no lid screws installed, the lid is interlocked and cannot be removed. As an additional safety feature, in the off position, if a padlock is fitted, the lid is also interlocked and cannot be removed. By pressing the handle interlock button, up to 3 padlocks can be inserted to prevent the switch being turned on. And finally, as a security feature, a sealing device can be inserted to prevent tampering of the enclosure.